Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a stamp brush. So I have here some mandalas I did for a tattoo. For example, this one, it was an order, like this. It was made to order. And I have this one that I just draw after that because I was inspired. So I want to convert these and also this other one as a stamp brush. Okay, so the way to do it is, I did it here for a tattoo, right? So it was in black, and kind of like the person was light skin, so I used light skin color for the background. So for a stamp, we take away the background, right? And the lines should be white. For that, you create a mask on top. Let's do it again so you can understand what I'm doing. On top of the layer you want to be white, create another layer, fill with white, click on the layer and select clipping mask. This will change everything to white. We remove the background color, and now with 3 fingers you touch and slide down, select copy all, and we go to the brushes. I have here empty the mandala brush set because we're going to start with this one. You plus button here, go to shape, edit, import, paste. As you can see, it's a bit stretch. So what we're gonna make right now, we're gonna fix this. It's because this is a square, okay? And our drawing here, our canvas is not a square. So let's fix this, okay? We have other 4 drawings, so we have to be careful not to cut them when we do that. Let's see if we can make it. I don't like scaling things, but for the purpose of this explanation, let's try. Let's put it in the middle because we're going to arrange the canvas. Okay, you can change the canvas size even when you're working. Here in options, canvas, crop and resize. Go to settings, and okay, this was for the, let's put 11 by 11 inches, and then we have it's bigger instead of a smaller. Okay, we go and can then so it has to be only 11 by 11. Okay, 11 by 11 now is a square, and that's it. You can see now, done. And we can move everything, selecting to the right, sliding to the right, select 2 and move to the center. Okay, now let's hide these ones. Again, the background, and we can maybe actually make it larger. It will be pixelated, but for the purpose of this tutorial, let's keep it like this. Okay. Do you see here there is black because of the size of the clipping mask. So increase the clipping mask, apply again, there you go. Okay, we remove the background and again repeat the process. 3 fingers, copy all, go to the brush studio, shape, edit, import, paste, and there you go. Now it looks better, right? Click done, And of course you cannot see it now, you only can see, sorry, I was doing this. As you can see, kind of like an interesting brush, but it's not yet a stamp, right? What makes it a stamp is to create space between the strokes. There you go. We can put it to the max if we want. So now we have a stamp brush. It's very small. Let's change the preview size, clear the path. There you go. You can see there is some pressure changing because this brush is not the best for starting. So I will actually erase everything here to 0. Grain, no, there is no grain here, it's just simple, well, definitely is simple white, right? Intense glaze and uniform bleeding, or intense bleeding. Either of this is fine. Blending, there is, you can see how it works. So it's full flow, and edges, well, it doesn't matter for this, but you can keep it to normal instead of multiply. And wet mix, no wet mix, we don't need that. For the stamp, dynamics also have to be set to 0. The Apple Pencil, here is where it's tricky, but you cannot feel it here. Reduce here the opacity, go to tilt 0, now we have it. This is a stamp brush. Properties, so we want to see it bigger. What's the maximum size you want? You can change here the maximum size. Okay, let's put it here. So, clear the path. And from that maximum, we want to see how is 50% of that maximum. Is it big? Okay. What is 100% of that maximum? Then you can change that to this, let's say. Okay, this looks cool. And then materials, if you want to create it in a 3D, this doesn't matter. Here we can place your picture, signature, and we create a reset point. So if we change anything in here, whatever you change here, you can go back to the previous one, just going and reset the brush again. It doesn't matter if you change something. Oh no, I screw my brush. It's fine. You go to About Brush and click Reset Brush, and that's it. You have now a stamp brush. Let's try it in a new layer. There you go, different colors. Beautiful. I hope you like this, and see you next time.